Think of Beijing, the capital city of China. You probably picture something totally different, but yes, this is still Beijing. Good morning, here's Jade. I'm going to start my first ever hiking adventure here in Beijing. It will be a place called Shenquanxia Scenic Area. And yeah, I'm absolutely excited about it, but also nervous at the same time because I have never ever done hiking thing before. It will be my first time. And as you can see, I'm all packed. I'm ready. So let's go and see what's going to happen today. I'm really looking forward to it. This is the entrance to Shenquanxia, a proper official scenic area, not just a random wild mountain. It is about 45 kilometers west of central Beijing. As of 2025, the entrance ticket costs 36 yuan, that is around $5 or 3.7 pounds. That's not too much. I don't think the ticket includes insurance, so I bought myself a separate one-day outdoor cover for 2 yuan, just to be safe. I will share the exact navigation route at the end of the video and in the comments. Oh, insects. Wow. No smoking. No smoking, of course. I can now hear my heartbeat. Not sure that's my heartbeat being recorded in this video. Oh my gosh. Wow, can you believe it is inside Beijing? Amazing, I mean. Check what I found. A small house. Somehow. Made of nowhere. Wow, check this. So interesting. Who 住在这边啊？这真的好可爱。I'm going to just make a video to show how quiet this place is. And just can you believe that this is Beijing? This is the capital city of China. And when people say it's crowded, it's full of people, I mean, wow, can you believe it? This is also Beijing, and here's a small pass. I think it's a shortcut, someone come up from here. And yeah, I'm gonna just keep going this way, and I would definitely come back again. Maybe in summer. I think it would be more beautiful, more green, Even right now, if you just turn, it's everywhere. It's green and alive, Oh, it says you have already done half. Let's keep going. If you're on a short trip, this place might feel a bit out of the way from central Beijing. But if you're staying here for a couple of weeks, or it's your second visit and you have already seen the Forbidden City and the Great Wall, then this is a great spot to explore a different side of the capital. It's also a lovely escape if you are living, studying, or working in Beijing. There's a place for resting. This is one of the higher viewpoints around here. It's a bit cloudy today, but on a clear day, you can even get a better view of the mountains in the distance. By the way, see the white spot in the middle? That's actually ice from the frozen waterfall, still not fully melted. In winter, that is a real highlight around here. After a quick break, we are back on the trail. One great thing about this place, at some junctions, there are Chinese and English bilingual maps with pictures. super helpful for seeing where are you and how far you have got to go. The whole hiking takes about 5 hours, including the time for resting and taking all the videos and pictures. Near the end, there is a real surprise: ancient rocks dating back to the Jurassic era. Also near the exit, I got a close-up look at the ice we saw earlier on the mountain. It's already May and it's melting. Pieces could fall anytime. Someone just reminded us to keep a safe distance. And that's a wrap for today. We took the green trail around 10 kilometers, not too crazy. As you can see, there are quite a few routes to choose from. The black trail is the longest one, a 20-kilometer loop. If you're up for a challenge. This is my first hiking and first video. Hopefully you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like and follow. Feel free to drop a comment below if you're planning a trip and have any questions. By the way, this is May Day holiday right now and I have already picked out my next hiking route, so stay tuned. I will see you again very soon.